Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to clean the side brush on the ROBOROCK S520. Flip the robot over, then you can clean the side brush without unscrewing it by removing any debris collected on it. If hair is wrapped around it, cut it with a knife or scissors. You can also clean the brush ends with isopropyl alcohol. To replace the side brush, unscrew it and put a new one in. Make sure you buy the correct one made for the ROBOROCK S520, as others may not fit. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.